Hi, it's Friday, July 2nd, 2010, and I guess I'm just going to talk about cutting the grass. It's summertime now, and that means the grass is growing and growing and growing. Sometimes I wish it would stop growing. But yeah, it seems like I have to cut the grass probably once a week now. And the yard is kind of big, which makes cutting the grass once a week not very easy, especially when the lawnmower doesn't want to work. So, yeah, I went out there this morning to try to cut the grass because I just cut it last week and it needed it again. And I got some of it cut, but yeah, the lawnmower was missing the I guess it's called the guard, the part that fits onto the lawnmower and I guess throws the grass out from under it so it doesn't get caked under the lawnmower. Well, I lost that part, so I had to cut the grass without it, which wasn't a good idea because the lawnmower started having problems after that with not wanting to run and well, smoking. That's never a good sign. So I had to stop cutting and try to find the guard, which I did. So yeah, I guess I'll be resuming cutting probably tomorrow. I wish I had a riding lawnmower. If I had a riding lawnmower instead of the push mower that I have, it would probably make things a little easier because, well, with riding lawnmowers, you actually ride the lawnmower. But with push mowers, you actually have to push the mower. So yeah, I think riding lawnmowers would be more preferable than push mowers. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with a push mower. And I guess that's going to do it. I'm just rambling about whatever. Again. I seem to do that a lot. So I guess I'm just going to wrap it up now and eat this ice cream before it melts. And, well, I guess I'll see you later.